Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to sit in guided meditation with Labradorite, the stone of transformation and magic. Does it sound like you need a little magic in your life? Or if you're going through a major transformation, then this guided meditation should help you. You don't need to have a piece of gemstone with you. But if you finish the meditation and the scenarios that I pose really call to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you might want to get a piece and sit again with the guided meditation. But for those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice crystal healing in your daily life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice, to sit with a gemstone and see how it feels to you and how it can help you in your daily life. Now, I'm wearing Labradorite today. I've got a bracelet here and I've got a pendant. And if you're feeling after this meditation like Labradorite is a stone that you feel can benefit you and you'd like to work with more, then I have Labradorite products available in my Etsy store and the link is below. Now, before we get started, if you haven't seen the video Improving Your Life with Labradorite, I'll put a link up in the corner, and I invite you to pause this video and go watch that one. It's only about 10 minutes, but it will give you a really good feel for the healing benefits of Labradorite, the energy of Labradorite, and what that could feel like as you sit through the meditation. Well, let's get started. If you have a piece of Labradorite, just put it near you, but you don't have to hold it yet. And then find a comfortable seat. It could be a cushion on the floor. It could be sitting in a chair. You could go outside and sit directly on the grass. But the important part is that it's comfortable, that you can sit in that position for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that you're sitting, not laying down. So once you have a comfortable seat, let's get started. So close your eyes and take several deep breaths. And breathe slowly and deeply into your lungs and into your belly. And bring your awareness into your body. And notice what that connection feels like wherever you're connecting to your chair or the ground beneath you. Notice how that support feels to you. And remember that you have the support of the entire earth right beneath you. How is your body feeling right now? Are there any areas of tightness, tingling, numbness, or is it feeling relaxed? How is your energy feeling? How are your emotions? And we're not looking to change or fix anything or make anything a certain way. We're just trying to see what's going on with you right now. And then if you have a piece of Labradorite, it's time to pick that up and put it in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand, and it will take in the energy of the Labradorite. Just take several breaths as you hold the Labradorite in your hand and you just feel what it feels like, how much it weighs. Is it smooth? Are there parts that are rough? Just get to know what the Labradorite feels like. And look again at how your body feels and your emotions, your energy. Take note of anything that might have changed or anything that changes over the course of the meditation. And then imagine yourself surrounded by a shimmery, iridescent light all around you. And it changes colors as it swirls about you. And this represents the energy of a Labradorite surrounding you and supporting you. Labradorite is the stone of magic and transformation. As you sit in this meditation, consider the following questions and note how they feel to you. Are you currently trying to awaken or deepen your connection with your intuition and any abilities that are associated with intuition? Do you feel a lack of energy with no apparent cause? You know, maybe you spend the entire day feeling drained even after you've slept all night. Are you trying to figure out now what your purpose is in life? And when you consider following your dreams, do you tell yourself, no, I can't do that, for a variety of reasons? Do you shut down your dreams because of doubt? you going through a major life transition. A new job, moving to a new city, having another child, going through a divorce, anything that is causing major change in your life. If one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then sit with that for another minute. And don't force anything, just notice how you feel about this scenario as you hold the Labradorite. Notice if anything changes. And then look again at how your energy feels right now. Your connection with your intuition, or how you might feel about change. And then release all of those images. Release the scenario and the image of the Labradorite energy, and just come back to your body and sit again with your breath. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Well, thank you for joining me in this guided meditation with Labradorite. And I hope you got a good feel for sitting with this gemstone, or if you feel like its healing benefits would help support you. Now, these guided meditations are meant to be repeated, so if anything did speak to you or really triggered you or made you feel uncomfortable, then that's an indication that you should probably delve deeper with this particular gemstone. So these meditations are intended for you to repeat them about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the energy of the Labradorite, like as soon as you pick it up. So if you're feeling nervous about a change, or if you're starting to doubt your purpose, then you can pick it up and you get the energy of it right away because you're so connected and you're so familiar with it. That's the intention of these meditations. And if you enjoyed this guided meditation, then I focus on a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post a video about the healing benefits of a particular gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. And I post it on Saturday, so you have some time during the weekend that you can just sit and be still with a gemstone. So if you're interested in learning more about gemstones, how they can benefit your life, and learn about a new one every single week, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see every single time that I post a video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again next week. Thank you.